Bless me, Father, for I have sinned.
Just imagine Jose Rizal walking in the same building as you guys are in right now. The very next day,
I've been cheating on my husband with a man half my age.
19 na ako.
19 ka pala.
Marami pang kayang gawin ng isang 19-year-old.
Tulad ng ano?
You know, you're just like Feby. Ang hilig nung ganunin yung ulo ko.
Feby?
Dapat pinaalam ko muna sa'yo na may girlfriend ako bago nangyari lahat ng to.
It's okay. Di lang naman ikaw yung in a relationship.
This is my beloved. Isn't she the prettiest?
Daddy?
Do you feel like you're in a trap marriage? Kaya lagi ka naglalasing.
Why are we even still together? We obviously don't love each other.
That's how marriages are.
kung talagang kasal ka na, bakit mo ko sinamahan nung nasa Lisbon tayo?
Kung ano man pinapantasya mo, tama na. What happened in Lisbon was a one-time thing.
I just want to be friends.
Yeah, right.
Nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata ang ligayang dati di ko makita.
Look, we're going to forget each other after a few days. And we'll be strangers again in no time.
Forget each other. Ano ka, ulyanin?
Ikaw
Ayoko na lang ganito eh! Alam mo yung gusto ko yung makapag-ball tayo together! Kumain tayo sa restaurant! Maghalikan, maglaplapan na wala tayong pakialam kahit sino man ang nakakita sa atin!
Sabihin mo na sa akin kung ayaw mo na maalis ako. Hindi kita kukuliin.